Do I have a bathtub? No, I do not have a bathtub. See, I feel like Scandinavian architecture, like the Scandinavian design, is maximizing the space you have. So a bathtub definitely doesn't do that. Bathtub takes up a lot of space. But I'll show you my bathroom. Come on, let's check it out. All right, bathroom. What's up? Boom, look at that. There's a shower, just in the corner like most. Toilet, sink, washing machine. Not much to it. The bathroom does have heated floors like every place in Norway, I think, which is so new to me because that's like a luxury in America, but it seems to be standard in Norway. You can control the temperature of the floors here. So that's like super dope. Definitely a fan of heated bathroom floors. Yes, I need to have this for the rest of my life. An actually funny story about bathtubs. For my birthday, I went to Oslo and I stayed in a hotel. And my only stipulation was that the room had to have a bathtub. It had been so long since I'd been in a bath that I was like, I want to take a bath. That's like all I want for my birthday is take a bath. Look, I'm gonna show you. So I didn't take a picture or a video of the actual bathroom with the bathtub. I don't know why. But there is the champagne, the empty champagne bottle I had. Because all I did was sit in the bathtub. I had bubbles. I had a bottle of champagne. And I just enjoyed it. I was like, oh, this is life. I'm pretty sure you're going to need to get like a house or something out of a bathtub. But, you know, when you don't take baths for a long time, you realize like what you're missing out on. And it was so nice. Oh, amazing.